Hey guys, welcome to US Decals. We now offer custom mud flaps for your trucking or any other type of business. We have a customer that we just installed these mud flaps. So he hauls junk, and just think about all the impressions he's gonna get in traffic, on the road. Even if his truck is just parked, somebody's gonna snap a shot. The phone number, they have a website, they can look at his website, and he's gonna generate some leads. He paid a one-time fee. He's gonna get the return on investment 100 times, maybe 10 times. Whether he's stuck in traffic, driving down the road, or even if his truck is parked, somebody's looking for their services and they're gonna call him. They're gonna snap a photo. A lot of new phones have the capacity to call a phone number or open up a website from a photo. This is a great add-on if you have your truck door logo, your business information on the side of your truck. This is perfect for cars behind you, cars to the side of you. We also have metallic DOT reflectors, which are required by DOT. You want to make sure that you display them alongside your mud flaps. And we have some chrome weights that look beautiful alongside your custom mud flaps. Remember, mud flaps are required by DOT, and DOT reflectors are required by DOT. You want to make sure that you display them correctly. At US Decals, we also sell blank mud flaps like this. You have your reflectors, and most importantly, you want to make sure that you have your custom mud flaps. Mud flaps are required by DOT, so if you have a level 1 inspection and you have no mud flaps, or either your mud flaps are ripped, they're gonna put you probably out of service. If you have ripped mud flaps or you're missing mud flaps, most likely that's gonna be a DOT violation, and you're gonna be placed out of service. So you wanna make sure that you display your mud flaps correctly, and you can also display a logo. You wanna make sure that you generate as many leads possible, and using custom mud flaps like this is a perfect way to get new customers. Thank you for watching this video. Visit our website, send us a message if you have an idea of a mud flap, or if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the comments below. Thank you.